April 2026 Question 5. This sits in Category 8, Universal Life, difficulty rung 4 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition Q. Type A BUL account value recursion, corridor, NLG, profit. STEM focus. Type A last survivor UL on couple, joint $Q, AV/COI on second death. Own the recognition queue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 8 checklist. Step 1. Identify type A or B, DB, and corridor rule. Step 2. Recurse AV, prem minus EXP minus COI plus interest. Step 3. NLG, compare AV to guarantee reserve. Step 4. Profit, feed AV/CV into profit engine. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 8 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids' adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.